How to pronounce extraordinary. Extraordinary. It's an adjective. It has 5 syllables. Stress the second syllable. The British pronunciation is extraordinary. Now, the American pronunciation is a little different. They make the last syllable longer. They say extraordinary. But avoid the temptation to say extraordinary. That is incorrect. Here's an example of the British pronunciation. Freddie Mercury had an extraordinary vocal range. Continually improve your English by subscribing to this channel. Hit the subscribe button now and click on the bell icon, choose all, to be notified when there are new videos. And to improve your English, enroll in my free online course. Go to goodenglish.online.